Alright, boys. We're the last 3 vampires in town. Humans have slaughtered every vampire we've ever known and loved. It's time to take this town back!
How can we? There's hundreds of them! Fangmaster's right. We don't even know how to kill the humans.
I'll tell you how to kill a human.
Vampro's back. Vampro, you know how to kill humans?
Yes, but it won't be easy.
What can we do, Vampro?
The only way to kill a human is by stabbing him right in the heart.
Yeah!
All right.
Or in the head.
Yeah!
Okay.
Or in his arms and legs.
Yeah.
Or choking them to death. Or drowning them in a lake. Or a brook. Or even a shallow puddle. Or shooting them with silver bullets. Or regular bullets. Or a crossbow. You can deprive them of oxygen with a plastic bag, or by covering their nose and mouth. You can starve them to death. You can get them really lonely so they kill themselves. You can throw acid on them, or diseases like tuberculosis, malaria, or bronchitis, if it's bad enough, or they die of old age, or stuffing them in boxes with snakes. That's it.
Alright, you heard him. This isn't gonna be easy.
Oh, wait. You can skin them. You can run them over. You can throw them off the top of a tall building. Or a cliff. Or a house. Even a one-story house.
Great. I want everybody to fan out. You, lead those humans into some houses. You, grab some tuberculosis
You can
and
hang them. Drop a safe on their heads. Or an anvil. Or a rock. Even a small one. Or you can poison them with arsenic. Or even with rancid milk.
Is that it?
No. You can electrocute them. Abandon them in the middle of a forest. Most of the time. Or a desert. Or a house that's locked.
They can't open locks?
Not without keys. Oh. You can stab them with keys. Feed them too many vitamins. Or too much sugar. Or food.
Anything else?
Yes. You can tie them to railroad tracks. You can tie them to scorpions. Ninja stars. Dig a deep ditch in the middle of the jungle. Line the bottom with sharp pointy sticks and cover it with leaves.
They wouldn't see the trap?
Not without glasses. Oh. Broken glass. Did I say bombs?
No.
Bombs.
Is that it?
Fire.
Okay.
Ice.
Okay.
Tornadoes.
Sure.
Dislodged lumber mill saws.
Yep.
Sometimes they just die for no reason.
Great.
Also, we can suck their blood with our fangs.
Okay! Thank you, Vampro! Everybody, let's start with that. If that doesn't work, just grab whatever and use it to kill the humans! Yeah! Kill the humans! Kill the humans! Holy water!
Steak! Steak! Steak!
Humans!
Vampires!